Alright friends, welcome to this demo video. In this quick demo video I am going to show you a quick demo of our brand new software that is called ClickyPay. Okay, so this is a 4-step software. You can use it in simple 4-step, easy 4-step. With this easy 4 steps you can create clickable videos. Alright, so let me show you one by one. So the first step is select video. So from here you can either search video with any keyword or you can simply upload video. So if you want to search any video like let's say money, so I am simply typing this keyword and hit the search button, and once I hit the search button, here these are all the videos related to money keyword. And let me tell you one more thing, that these videos are absolutely copyright free. These are the Creative Commons videos which you can use or edit as per your choice, or else you can also upload your very own video. In order to do that you have to click on this upload button and done, and here you can see your video is uploaded successfully. So to select a video, here let's say this one. Alright, so to select a video, select this video, you have to click on this select video button, and now here you can see this video is selected, and now you have to click on this next step button and it will redirect you to the next step, which is set up an overlay. Okay, so click on this next step button. Alright, so here you can see we are now in second step. From here we can set up an overlay on our video. Alright, so here you can see we can change the default carousel background color. That means this one, we can change the default color. So let's say here you can see I can change the color, and not only that, you can also change the carousel border color. You can fully customize your player. Alright, and here you can set this CTA button and title text. You can change this default title text. By default here are 3 CTA buttons and 3 title. You can input 3 different link, and not only 3, you can also add more if you want. For now let me change just 1. Okay, so let's see, you can also change the CTA button text. Alright, and also you can change the cover image. Alright, so here you can see you can change the cover image as well. So once you have done everything, once you have set up everything, once you set up your clickable CTA button, you can set the link here. Here you can put the CTA link. Let me grab you a link from Warrior Plus Marketplace, maybe this one. Alright, so this is a brand new offer from Warrior Plus Marketplace, and let's say I want to promote this offer, so I am grabbing this link, going back to my ClickyPay account, and here I am pasting my link. Alright, and so once you have done everything here, once you have set up everything, now you have to go to the third step, that means get the embed code. Alright, so for that you have to click on this next step button. Alright, so here this is my embed code. You can simply select the whole code, and here you can copy the code by clicking the copy button, and you can see the code is copied. Alright, now here we have to go to the last and final step, that is selecting a template. Simply click on next step button, and here you can see here is lots of template, all are ready-made templates. Simply choose your template, let's say this one. Alright, now here is the video placeholder. All you have to do is click on this placeholder, and here you can see the tiny code button. You have to click on this, and here you have to paste your code. You have to paste the code which you copy on previous step. Alright, so once you paste the code, just click the save button, and you can see here our video is placed successfully with all the clickable elements. And now you have to click on this download button in order to download the whole project, and choose your location. Alright, so our project is downloaded successfully, and here this is the link of our downloaded project, and from here you can copy the link or you can download it once again. And also here you will find a traffic button. If you click on it, you can see you can promote your video, you can promote the project to all of these social accounts like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, Reddit, Quora, etc, etc. To all of these social channels, you can share your project to all of your social account with just one click. All you have to do is click on this green traffic button, and it will redirect you to this social blast page. Okay, so this is very easy. In this way you can very easily promote your offer, you can very easily promote your video, whatever you want, and you can very easily create clickable videos and can make profits from them. Alright, so I hope you like this video, and see you on the next video. See you soon. Thank you.